Hello, kids. Welcome to Fruit Fun Learning. Today, we'll meet some yummy fruits, learn their names, and spell them together. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hi, everyone. I'm an apple. I'm sweet, crunchy, and I love to help you stay healthy. Let's spell my name together. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Can you spell it with me? A P, P-L-E, apple. Hello, friends. I'm an orange, juicy, sweet, and full of vitamin C. Let's spell my name. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Say it with me. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Hi, I'm a pear, smooth, juicy, and full of yummy goodness. My name is spelled P-E-A-R, pear. Can you spell it with me? P-E-A-R, pear. Hi, I'm a mango, sweet, juicy, and everyone's favorite in the summertime. My name is spelled M-A-N-G-O, mango. Let's say it together. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Hi, everyone. We're a bunch of grapes, small, juicy, and oh so sweet. Our name is spelled G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Let's spell it together. G-R-A-P-E-S. Hey there. Grapes. I'm a banana. I give you lots of energy for running and playing. Let's spell my name. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Come on, spell it with me. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Great job, everyone. Now you know the names and spellings of apple, orange, pear, banana, mango, and grapes. Keep practicing and stay fruity and fun. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.